Hello and welcome back to the channel. So for today I have something unique and rare, which is this Honda Civic Si mainline from the J Imports series. It is actually a mainline from the previous year, but it is imported. It's not an Indian car. This specific mainline is famous within the custom, like people who customize Hot Wheels, and because of like the carbon hood it gives, even for a mainline. And generally this is a tuner car, so what is better to customize other than tuner cars? So let's unbox this. So finally it's out, and let's take a closer look at this. This looks really good for a Hot Wheels mainline, and I really like the details on this one. So for this carbon hood detail is quite nice. It actually has the textures, but it's a paint. I cannot feel any texture on this, but it's a smooth paint, I guess. We have headlight details along with a Honda logo. We don't have any tampo work because the entire car is painted in metal flake gold. And on the back we have a Hot Wheels on the license plate and back tail light details as well as the spoiler. The color, like I mentioned, is metal flake gold, and the wheels are 5-spoke wheels with a red chrome trim. The base is black plastic. So overall this is a very nice mainline, and which I really wanted to get because of how famous this exact mainline is within the modder community which customizes Hot Wheels. So this was Honda Civic Si. Do let me know if you like this casting or not, and make sure to subscribe for more diecast videos. Thank you.